Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is Habib Zahid, your master distributor. I really feel proud that I have two great young energetic ladies here hosting a Deal Shaker Expo in Russia on 20 and 21st October. Guys, we're gonna make it the biggest and bolder. I request every single body around the world, let's join with this family. Let's make this Deal Shaker Expo one of the most successful Deal Shaker Expo. See you guys there, and I hope that we will bring lots of merchant and we can do a lot of shopping over in Russia. See you soon. Thank you.
My friends, you need to go to Novosibirsk to Expo. It will be amazing. Almost all leaders already confirmed to be there. So you will be sorry if you're not going there. Let's see there in 20, 21st, 22nd October. Yeah? Bye-bye. See you.
Добрый день, уважаемые партнеры. Сейчас мы находимся в Дубае, где мы получили море мотивации, море эмоций. Следующая наша поездка – Россия, город Новосибирск, где будет проходить экспо-выставка, где соберутся лучшие спикеры, лучшие мерчанты. Я еду туда со своими партнерами. Также приглашаем вас и просим вас обращаться к организаторам этого мероприятия. До встречи!
Hello everyone out there, Mark Nishiyama, Blue Diamond and GLG Inner Circle member, coming to you from Dubai to tell you about Big Deal Shaker Expo in Novosibirsk on October 2021. Everyone should be there. Very big Deal Shaker Expo, the biggest in Russia. All of you attend because there will be many merchants, many coin users, and all of us will have a super mastermind training. So we see you in Novosibirsk on those days. One coin, one life, Deal Shaker. See you again.
Hello guys, this is Dinos Makalis. I'm from Greece and I'm really happy to be invited to your amazing expo that is prepared from these beautiful ladies, Natalia, Dina and Elena, to your amazing city, Novosibirsk. I hope I said it right. I've never been to Russia, I've never been to your city, so I'm really happy to be there, share with you a few tips about Deal Shaker and of course share with you a few special moments. So, see you there.
Hello, I'm Cristi Kalina, Diamond and GLG member from Romania, and I want to invite you in 2021 October in Novosibirsk. Will be amazing Deal Shaker Expo. There will be many leaders, trainings and very good products there. So don't miss 2021 October and be there in Novosibirsk. Have a fantastic day. Yes.
Hello everybody, we are now in Dubai in a Crown conference, end of this conference, last day, and I am Damir Tokic from Bosnia, Blue Diamond. Want to invite all of you in Novosibirsk 20 and 21st October. Here is hot and we bringing all this warm to you in Novosibirsk and waiting for all of you. See you there. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum, Yassir from Morocco. مرحبا بجميع أعضاء وان لايف في العالم، الشعب الوان لايف في العالم. يوم 21 روسيا 21 Russia, you welcome.
Greetings everybody from Dubai. Hello. Hi people from Russia. My name is Sina Hunt, all the way from New Zealand and Australia. The world down under? Yes. I'm inviting everybody to come to Russia. Will you be there? There will be an expo, Deal Shaker Expo in Russia, 19, 20, 21. I will be there, so I hope I will see you there. One life. Deal Shaker.
everyone. My name is Marco Bassanelli, Diamond from Italy and GLG member. I would like to invite you all to the Novosibirsk event on 2021 of October for the Expo. It will be an amazing event. We are waiting all for you, and there will be a lot of leaders for all Europe, around the world. And I'm happy to go back to Novosibirsk. I've been there last year, and I wait for you, everyone. Ciao.
Hi to all Russian team, my name is Marinko Paric, I'm coming from Croatia, I'm Diamond and GLG member, and I would like to invite you all to Novosibirsk on 20 and 21st October on the Deal Shaker Expo. It will be an amazing event with lots of merchants, and there you can show all your people how to use OneCoins, how to make purchases with that, and how to organize a good party in Russia. I will bring my team with you, that we join all together and have a great party there. See you all in Novosibirsk.
Hello everybody, my name is Nikola Adžija, I'm Diamond and GLG member from Croatia. I have to invite you to great big expo on 20 and 21st of October in Novosibirsk in Russia. I will be there, my team will be there, people, leaders all around the world will be there, and great, wonderful merchants. We can spend our coins, feel this energy, and let's make rock and roll together in Novosibirsk. See you!
Hello everybody, my name is Rok Šimček, I am One Life Diamond from Slovenia, and I invite you to big event in Russia, Novosibirsk, 2021 of October. See you there.
はい、皆さんこんにちは。日本の山本です。皆さんぜひですね、10月はロシアに行ってください。Going to together Russia, Del Shaker, one coin, one life, Del Shaker.
Hi, I'm Cameron High, I'm from the UK. I have a team all over the world. I am actually invited to go to Russia, and I'm very excited. So, don't miss the Russian Deal Shaker Expo, okay? And I'll be looking forward to speaking to you all. Thank you.
Hello Deal Shakers, my name is Robert, I'm coming from Slovenia, and I'm an owner of a brand Aronia Slovenia with 54 hectares of plantations. So I'm hardly waiting to be a guest in Novosibirsk. There will be a big event with a lot of guests from all over, so let's make it the biggest one till now. So I'm really happy to be there to introduce the world what can we do with this huge platform, and what can we buy, what can we sell, and so there is no limit. Let's do it. Bye.